I'm about to share the process with you that we use for all of our clients on repurposing one piece of content across multiple channels. Hey, I am Carson Scooter. It is so nice to meet you. And our passion is helping social media managers, virtual assistants, and business owners like yourself to create a flawless system in order to get the most bang for your buck or to get the most visibility with one of your videos across multiple platforms. It has become our mission to help other people just like us get the insane results that we've gotten for our clients, for their own clients, or for their own businesses. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Follow us for all of the latest advice and tips on how to find that success for you or your clients. Now I'm going to show you step by step the process that we use to create one piece of content and distribute it across multiple platforms flawlessly. So the very first thing that we do is we create our video on TikTok. So our personal preference is creating the original video on TikTok because TikTok is the OG of short form video. However, if you use Instagram or Facebook or YouTube as your primary lead generation, traffic driving channels, then you can definitely create the first video on one of these platforms. Once you've created your video, there are one of two ways that you can do this. So the very first way is you can go to Snaptik.App and individually download your videos. So if you don't create a ton of content and you don't want to pay for a paid app, Snaptik.App is an amazing resource where you can download your videos watermark free. Now, if you're like us and you create hundreds of videos a month for yourself and for your clients, this is our preferred method. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Repurpose.io and create an account. Once you're in Repurpose.io, you can start the free 14-day trial or check out the pricing if you're ready to upgrade right off the hop. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to connections and then you're going to go to add a new connection. Once you're in here, there's two things that you're going to need to connect, or multiple depending on how many accounts you're connecting. So the first one is you are going to connect your Google Drive or your Dropbox, whichever one is your preference. The next thing that you're going to connect is you're going to connect the source where your videos are coming from. So for us, so you can choose Instagram, you can choose YouTube, you can choose TikTok, you can choose Pinterest. So we primarily use TikTok as the original video creation channel. So what we would do is we would click on TikTok. So once you click on the source that you want to connect, you can name this connection. So how we name this is we typically just put the client's name and then the channel. So for instance, client's name, TikTok. So then you hit connect. Once you hit connect, if you are already logged in on this browser to a TikTok account, it is automatically going to choose that TikTok account for you. But as you see here, you do have the option to switch accounts. So if this is not the correct one, you can definitely change it. So in this case, I'm going to click authorize. And then once I am done, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to workflows. Now that I'm in workflow, I'm going to create a new workflow. How I name this workflow is I use the client's name. So I'll do Scooter Social, and then I'll put the source that you're grabbing the information from. So in this case, TikTok. And then it's going to go to our Google Drive. So once I do that, I click next. So then it's going to say choose a source type. So this is where the data is coming in from. So for instance, this would be TikTok. And I am going to pick the TikTok account that I want connected. So once I choose my source connection, I'm going to hit next. And then it says choose an action. I want it to upload the video and the full video. Then I hit next. And then you want to tell Repurpose.io where you want this to send your information. So what you can do is then you would pick your Google Drive. You would choose the folder from your Google Drive or create a new one if you don't have it set up, and then hit done. So then it's the very first one right here. So I can either have publish mode on manual or auto, and I'm going to flick this over to auto, and you can choose which content to auto publish. So if you created a ton of content in the past and you want it to go through and get all of your old content, what you're going to do is hit this drop down arrow, and then you're going to put all of my existing content. If you have a new account that you've never created any content for, you can put only content published on this date or newer. So then once you do that, you hit confirm. And then what happens after you've given it a little bit of time is all of your videos are instantly added into your Google Drive without watermarks. So this is all of our videos from our TikTok channel. And if I click on any of them, you can see that there is no watermark. So then what you can do from here is you can download them and schedule them out on your platform of choice. The other kind of workflow that you can do is you can set up automations in order for it to just take your video from one platform and post it to another platform. So if you are repurposing directly from Repurpose.io, I would leave this set to manual. The reason being is that you can now intentionally change the keywords, how it comes up when it is repurposed and reposted to the next platform. So then I hit view content, then you're going to hit publish. And in here, you can add your keywords to your title. You can add a new description with your hashtags, and then you can either publish it or schedule it for a later date. So hopefully this helps and helps you understand how you can automate your workflows in order to save time for yourself and to get results for your clients. So what we've done is we've dropped a bunch of resources below this video that you can access to help you on your journey. And as well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get all of the best advice and tips on how to be a success for your clients or for your business with short form video.